Welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve a most interesting question, that is AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 20, CA is equal to 30. We have to find A plus B plus C. So I am going to solve this question. Solution. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Equation 1 is AB is equal to 10, equation B number 2 is BC is equal to 20, and equation 3 is CA is equal to 30. We have to find A plus B plus C. So to solve this question, we have to multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. So multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. We have to multiply these three equations. So this will become AB multiply BC multiply CA is equal to 10 multiply 20 multiply 30. Now multiply A with A, this will become A square, B multiply B, this will become B square, and C multiply C, this will become C square, is equal to 10 multiply 20 multiply 30, this will become 6000. Now we can write this as A B C whole square is equal to 6000. Now we have to take square root at both sides, so this will become A B C whole square square root is equal to 6000 square root. Here the 2 cancel with square root, this will become A B C is equal to 6000 square root of 6000. Now we know that 6000 divided by 2, this will become 3000. 3000 divided by 2, this will become 1500. 1500 divided by 2, this will become 750. 750 divided by 2, this will become 375. 375 divided by 5, this will become 75. 75 divided by 5, this will become 15. 15 divided by 5 3 5 3 are 15. So we know that A B C is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Square root of 16 multiplied by 5 5 25, and 5 3s are 15, multiply 15. A B C is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 25 multiply square root of 15. A B C is equal to, this will become 4 multiply, this will become 5, and this will become square root of 15. So A B C is equal to 4 5 times, this will become 20 square root of 15. Now this is step 1, step 2 and step 3. We know that ABC is equal to ABC is equal to 20 square root of 15. ABC is equal to 20 square root of 15. ABC is equal to 20 square root of 15. Look at the equation 1, that is AB is equal to 10. So we have to put the value of AB here, that is 10. So 10 multiply C is equal to 20 square root of 15, and C is equal to 20 square root of 15 divided by 10. 10 to the 20, so C is equal to 2 into square root of 15, 2 times square root of 15. Now to solve this step 2, we have look at the equation 2, that is BC is equal to 20. So we have to put the value of BC here. So this will become A multiply the value of BC is 20 is equal to 20 square root of 15. 20 cancel with 20, so A is equal to square root of 15. Now we have to solve step 3, that is ABC is equal to 20 square root of 15. Look at the equation number 3, that is CA is equal to 30. So we have to put here the value of CA, that is 30. So B multiply 30 is equal to 20 square root of 15. B is equal to 20 square root of 15 or 30. 10 to the 20, 10 3 is 30. So B is equal to 2 into square root of 15 over 3. So this is the value of B. Now we have to find A plus B plus C. We have to plus the value of A, B and C. This will become A is equal to square root of 15 plus B is equal to 2 multiply square root of 15 over 3 plus C is equal to 2 square root of 15. Now we have to take 3 LCM, so this will become 15 plus 1, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. For example, its denominator is 1 and its denominator is 1. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 multiply 15 plus 3 divided by 3 will become 1 multiply 2 square root of 15. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6 into square root of 15. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 square root of 15 or 3. This is the final answer of the question. Thank you for watching.